Welcome to the installation guide for 3W liners floor mats. Before installation, remove any protective film and clear away dirt or debris from the factory carpet surface. Next, place the driver's side floor mat into position. Slide the mat into the footwell and align it with the contours of the vehicle floor. Once it is properly seated, line up the retention clip with the factory mounting point and press down firmly to secure the mat. Now repeat the same process for the front passenger side. Position the mat carefully and make sure all edges sit flush against the floor for a clean, custom fit. When installing rear floor mats for the KIA Carnival, we recommend removing the seats first for the best fit and easiest installation. Once the seats are removed, start with the front section of the floor mat. Align the openings of the mat with the seat rail tracks, making sure the mounting points line up correctly and lock into place. After the front section is secured, move on to the rear section. Install it the same way, aligning it carefully with the seat rails. Make sure the connection between the front and rear sections lines up properly. If needed, you can trim certain areas along the joint to ensure a smooth, flat transition between the two pieces. Taking a little extra time during installation will help achieve a clean, precise fit throughout the entire floor. After installing the floor mat behind the last row of seats, make sure to pull the seat adjustment straps through the reserved openings and secure them onto the designated areas on the mat. Finally, lift the rear seats back into position. Then, lay the trunk floor mat flat and align it properly. With that, the full set of floor mats for your KIA Carnival is successfully installed. You can now install all the seats back to the rail. And enjoy your KIA Carnival with 3W all-season floor mats full protection.